Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2018 Ford F-150 Platinum. The color is white, and under the hood we have a 5-liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have LED daytime running lights, fog lights, 2 tow hooks, and an engine block heater. Over at the side we have 20-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Wrangler. We also have chrome match handles and mirror caps. This pre-owned 2018 Ford F-150 Platinum also comes with remote start, keyless entry, power deploy running boards, and a beautiful twin panel moonroof. At the rear, we have privacy tinted glass with embedded defroster. We have a power window, trailer tow package, power release lift gate. We also have a step on the lift gate, tie-down hooks, box LED lighting, a rear camera with reverse sensing system, and a tonneau cover. At the interior, we have driver-friendly features, including power locks, power windows, mirror settings, and 3 programmable seat options. As we move into the cabin, you will see our black leather seating with our adjustments on the side, including lumbar support. Over at our steering column, we have our headlamp, mirror lights, and foot pedal settings. We have a heated telescopic steering wheel with our cruise control options to the left and our media and hands-free options to the right. Up above we have our rear view mirror, our cabin lighting, our options for our beautiful moonroof, as well as 3 programmable universal garage door openers on the driver visor. Looking forward, you can see that this pre-owned 2018 Ford F-150 Platinum has 89,938 kilometers. Looking ahead at our center face, this unit comes with a pile of options, such as audio, climate, phone, navigation, settings, and so much more. Just below we have our dual climate control area, which provides heat and air conditioning to the entire cabin. We also have cooled and heated seats for both driver and passenger to enjoy. Our middle console offers dual cup holders, our gear shift, and a ton of storage. This unit also comes with sync. At the rear, passengers have power windows as well as a ton of door storage. Moving into the cabin, our passengers also have a ton of legroom and headspace with our 60/40 bench seating. And just peeking inside here, our passengers also get heated seats. If there are any more questions about this 2018 Ford F-150 Platinum, do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. We would like to thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.